Hello and welcome to this Concord Help Center video. This video focuses on how to use indexes in Concord. Let's first start by logging into your Concord account. Next, we'll want to navigate to the Indexes section. If you're on desktop, the indexes can be found in the Study Tools panel to the right of Search. If you're on mobile like myself, the indexes can be found by clicking on the Books button at the bottom of your screen. Once you click the Books button, you'll see the table of contents and headings for all the books in Concord, as well as an indexes section towards the bottom of your screen. You can click or tap the drop-down menu to view the indexes in Concord. There are 4 indexes in Concord, 2 marginal heading indexes, and 2 scriptural quotation indexes. Let's first check out marginal headings. So I'll tap the drop-down menu to open up marginal headings. You'll see there is an alphabetical order index and a page order index for marginal headings. Let's first look at alphabetical order. Here you'll see from A to Z all the first letters for marginal headings in science and health. To view any of these marginal headings, you can simply click the drop-down menu to the left of the letter. So I'll click the drop-down menu for the letter A. Here you can see all of the marginal headings that begin with the letter A. The marginal heading title is on the left side and the page number is on the right side. Clicking anywhere on the marginal heading will open the marginal heading in the Read panel. So I'll tap Abiding in Life. Now you can see that the marginal heading Abiding in Life has opened in the Read panel, and you'll notice that the marginal heading itself did not highlight, but rather the corresponding paragraph that it relates to. Now let's go back to the indexes and check out marginal headings by page order. So I'll collapse the alphabetical order marginal headings, and I'll open up page order by tapping the drop-down menu. Here you'll see all the marginal headings listed in page order from page 2 of Science and Health all the way to the end of the book. You can click or tap on any marginal heading to open it in the Read panel, just like we did with alphabetical order marginal headings. Next, let's take a look at Scriptural Quotations. I'll collapse the page order marginal headings, and then collapse the marginal headings section. There are 2 indexes for Scriptural Quotations. Scriptural quotations are indexed by the ability to look up Bible citations and see where Mrs. Eddy references them in her writings, or they're also indexed by looking up a passage in Mrs. Eddy's writings and seeing where it's referenced or sourced in the Bible. Let's start with Bible to Mary Baker Eddy. I'll click the drop-down menu. Here you'll see options for the Old and the New Testament. Let's go to the Old Testament. Now you'll see all the books in the Old Testament. We'll take a look at Genesis. So we can click the drop-down menu to the left of Genesis, or we can click this expand/collapse icon that you've probably seen throughout the program. By clicking this, it will expand all the citations in Genesis and the corresponding citations from Mrs. Eddy. So I'll tap on this expand icon, and here you'll see, in this instance, Genesis chapter 1, verse 1 is referenced by Mrs. Eddy on page 502 of Science and Health. Let's check out Genesis chapter 1, verse 3. This is referenced 7 times in Mrs. Eddy's writings. To view a reference from Genesis chapter 1, verse 3, you can simply click on any of the citations in the box below. I'll click on Science and Health, page 255, line 3. It will open up in the Read panel. Here you can see that Genesis chapter 1, verse 3, "Let there be light," is referenced in Science and Health on page 255. You'll notice to the left of this quote is a book icon. This is a scriptural quotation book icon. Clicking or tapping on it will show you the Bible reference that this citation refers to. You can click or tap either the citation or the text to navigate to that citation, or you can click the X to exit out of the book icon pop-up. I'll exit out of this pop-up for now and go back to the indexes section. You can see that Mrs. Eddy not only references this verse in Science and Health, but also miscellaneous writing, Message to the Mother Church for 1902, and poems. You can view all of these citations by clicking or tapping on them. To collapse this expanded view of Genesis, you can tap or click on the collapse icon at the top right-hand side of the screen. Let's check out the New Testament now. The New Testament behaves exactly the same as the Old Testament. By clicking the drop-down menu, you'll see all the books in the New Testament, and you can look up citations from the New Testament and see where they're referenced by Mary Baker Eddy. Let's next check out the other Scriptural Quotation Index. I'll collapse the Bible to Mary Baker Eddy index. The Mary Baker Eddy to Bible index is helpful when you want to look up a specific book by Mrs. Eddy or look at a specific chapter and see where she references the Bible. So I'll click the drop-down menu, and you'll see all of Mrs. Eddy's books listed here. And you can look up a book like Science and Health, for instance, and see all the different chapters. And let's say I want to look up in the chapter on prayer where she referenced the Bible. I can click the expand icon, and it will show me every Bible citation that's referenced in this chapter. And I can click on any citation just like I would with the other index, and it will open in the Read panel. We hope you found this video on using indexes useful. If you're interested in learning more about the Scriptural Quotation book icon, we'll leave a link in the description of this video to a video specifically about that topic. Again, we hope you enjoy all these new features, and happy studying!